This is a short reel about compassion science. The ideas presented here are based on the book, The Emotion Organon.
While much of the world has been focused on outer space, and the discoveries and inventions around space have been truly amazing, medical science has been making its own discoveries that are just as amazing. However, instead of looking outward, medical scientists have been looking inward, at our inner spaces, to understand what it is about our fundamental nature as humans that empowers us, heals us, and helps us overcome adversity, beat the odds, and find resilience in a storm like the pandemic we have all just gone through together. Across all areas of medical science, what they found is so surprising. Our resilience and health comes from the biology of compassion, love, and kindness. These are not weaknesses, they are our strength. These discoveries about human compassion empower us as humans, whether we are in outer space, training as an athlete, recovering from an illness, or wherever we find ourselves.
In each short film reel, you will learn a key idea around positive emotion and human biology. In this film reel, we learn that our physical bodies are wired, literally wired for compassion.
In the 1970s, immunologists discovered a connection between happiness and immune function. They established a link between the mind and the brain and the immune system. This became known as the brain immune loop. It's a very important idea, especially when it comes to fighting viruses and illnesses, something we grew to understand in the COVID-19 pandemic. These fundamental discoveries formed the basis for the new field of psychoneuroimmunology. Fast forward to today, and we see these early discoveries were just the beginning. Investigations across almost every area of medical science are showing us that the immune system isn't the only part of us that needs positive emotion. Over 50% of our body cells, organs, and body functions need positive emotions like love, compassion, and kindness to function and heal. This includes wound healing, glucose metabolism, and cardiovascular healing and protection. This is really big news because heart disease is the #1 killer worldwide. What is really astonishing is that we are so biologically wired for these effects of positive emotion that our bodies respond not just when we give and receive compassion, but when we merely witness it.
For more amazing discoveries, check out the book, The Emotional Organon.